This is a double-sided mortar and pestle set by Cook, and it is awesome. It comes with this wooden spoon, as well as this lid, and this double-sided mortar, which is shallow on one side and deep on the other. And another unique feature is it has a double-sided pestle as well. Perfect for all your grinding needs. So today we are going to make some spices and grind these up. This is by El Guapo, and it's a special spice mix. And it includes mustard seeds, cumin, annatto, black pepper, coriander, cloves, allspice, and red peppers too. So what we're gonna do is we're going to open this up and put it inside. And then we're gonna grind it up nice and fine. Perfect for our recipes for Mexican cooking. Okay, so let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like before I grind it all up. Look how nice that looks. And now we're gonna start grinding it up. So you just start crushing it over and over again and just let the pestle do all the work. Smells so good. The flavor is just exploding. Wow. This is just awesome for your senses. It's gonna taste so good too. This is what all the top chefs use in their kitchens too. And this mortar and pestle is made from 100% marble. Doesn't it look beautiful? I wish you can smell how amazing this smells. It is just working so perfectly and grinding it down so finely as well. It just smells divine. Okay, let me show you what it looks like now. See how nice that did it? Just amazing. Another nice feature is this lid. When you put it on, this keeps all your food nice and fresh, from guacamole to garlic paste, salad dressing, as well as to grind up all your herbs and spices. And check this out, it also creates a vacuum seal. So all you do is put this lid on and then check it out. Wow, do you see that? Pretty durable, right? But to open it, all you have to do is lift this up like this gently and the suction has disappeared. It's just amazing. Let me show it to you again. Wow, that's pretty durable. And this is made of 100% marble too. Quite heavy. I received this from Cook to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I love it. It works perfectly. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Happy cooking!